Hey guys, Michael with Part-1 here. I'm out doing an update on one of our robotic mowers that we have installed. A lot of people keep asking me for updates on that service. So this is one of the properties we have it on, and it's hard to tell in the video, but you can see the robotic mower is keeping the grass very well maintained. It's very well cut. So how we work the service is we lease the robotic mower to the customer. We maintain it. We change the blades a couple times a year. We change the scheduling. Our office team logs in to each robotic mower at various points in the year, and they change the mowing schedule based on how the grass is growing that time of year. That's basically the basic leasing service that we offer. Additional service that we offer as an add-on is for us to come by and string trim and edge and blow everything off, because the mower is just going to mow. It's not going to be able to string trim up around the house. It's not going to be able to soft edge the beds. It's not going to be able to edge the driveway. So you're still going to get, with our warm season grasses, you're still going to get a lot of horizontal growth onto those surfaces. And these beds look terrible. We're actually redoing the mulch beds for this customer this week as well, so we'll get everything looking good. But I'm out here right now about to do the trimming and edging. And what we do, so that add-on service, when we come out here to trim, edge, and blow, we also apply something called a plant growth regulator, PGR. And it's just a type of product that you spray onto the grass, and it basically channels all the energy that the grass uses to grow up, and then instead it puts it into lateral growth and root growth. So it ends up extending the time in between mowings by a good bit, depending on the rate that you put out. So our goal is to put it out at a high rate so that we only have to come here and string trim and edge and reapply every 4 to 6 weeks. So that's what I'll be doing. As soon as I go through here and string trim everything, I'll go right behind that with a battery powered sprayer and apply that PGR to those same areas to retard the growth of the grass in those areas. But that's kind of our service. I've said in a previous video, there's a robotic mower right there in its base station, but we are more using this service to experiment at this time. We've got about 20 robotic mowers or so. Not all of them out, but we have several of them, and it's more to learn, get the learning curve out of the way, to kind of hone our other services, see how much maintenance they're going to take, see what kind of issues they have, because as the technology improves, the price goes down, and we eventually get rid of the wire, which is probably the biggest hindrance right now. These things are going to take over, because the problem with needing to install a boundary wire is that it adds so much cost that you have to lock a customer in for a long 2 or 3 year period. Whereas if you could just come out here, walk the mower around, like some newer models, walk the mower around, for 20 minutes to show it the perimeter, and then let it do its thing, you could, greatly shorten those, greatly reduce the cost of installation and make it much easier to, sign people up like a normal mowing service. Maybe they only have to stay with you 6 months or a year. But the mowers we have out, if you have them installed on the right property, nice simple lawns, they do really well. We've had very few issues. Most of the issues come, trying to get them up and going again in the spring once they've been turned off during the winter. But once you get them up and going, we have almost no issues. You might have a few low spots in a lawn where they get stuck, and you just need to take some sand and kind of top dress those areas. But this particular mower, I've never had a service call for it. So and it's been out over a year, and it does its thing, does a great job. But thanks for watching. If you have any more questions about that, please leave them below, or share your feedback with the robotic mowers that you've used.